Good morning, guys. How are y'all doing today? Oh, look at me. Look at me. I look a hot mess because today it's pouring. I didn't upload yesterday, even though I said that I was gonna upload every single day. Ricky had an upset stomach. We give him a probiotic and a vitamin until he makes better eating choices. But yeah, so I got a little bit of footage yesterday. I'll probably insert it here. Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? Right now it's the afternoon. We have had quite a rainy, lazy Monday. Ricky didn't go to school today because I kept him. He was having stomach issues over the weekend, and by Sunday I was like, well, I don't want to send him off to school and then them call me like 30 minutes, 45 minutes later to come pick him up. So, and I wanted to make sure that his stomach was okay today because he will be going to school tomorrow, but it's been exceptionally rainy here in our area, so we have just been lounging. Here in about an hour, I'm gonna have to go get my niece off the bus. I might get a little bit of footage of the kids playing. I'm going to be making gumbo for dinner. Are you showing the finger that got hurt? It'll be fine.
Look at my hair.
What's the matter with your hair?
No, in my hair.
Is it all messed up?
Yeah, messed up. You messed it in my hair.
Say hi, Joe. Hey, Michael.
What?
Do you love Ricky?
Yeah, I love Ricky.
Ricky, do you love Michael?
Yeah.
So that was the footage that I got yesterday. And then today is therapy day, and that can sometimes be a little rough, especially with bad weather like this. If you have a child on the spectrum, I would like to hear from you. Oh God, I look like a drowned rat. Oh my goodness, do y'all see this? I got caught up in the rain. Even though I have an umbrella, it's raining that hard that you're still getting wet in this. Back to what I was saying. If you have a child on the spectrum, let me know if their behavior changes when the weather is really bad. Like if it's really, really cold or really, really rainy and dreary. Because I tend to find that Ricky has more meltdowns during this time. And I'm hoping that it's not the case today. I mean, we will see. I'm always prepared. But hopefully that's not what's gonna happen today. Hopefully he will be fine. But I have noticed in the past that when it's like this, he's very on edge. So, like I said, I'm hoping today that that's not the case. So, I hope you guys are dry today. Drier than me. I feel like all I do now is like car vlogs. Vlog in the car. Vlog when I take Ricky to school. And vlog when I pick him up. I'm on my way right now to get Ricky. I'm gonna go get my Ricky. Ricky, did you have a good day today?
No, it's not raining. It's going to rain. It's going to rain.
It's going to rain? Well, it might rain again. Did you have a good day today? Did you have fun? So this is what he does every day. Every time we get in the car, this is what he does. Uh-oh. Let me help
okay,
you.
Mommy? You
Yeah?
okay? Well, I want to. Yes, you guys.
Did you just say I love you guys? Can you say good afternoon, guys?
How you guys?
Say how you doing?
How you doing?
Ricky, you're kicking my arm, baby.
Give me a hug, Mommy. I love you, Mommy.
I love you too.
Wait, I gotta count to 3, come back.
Oh, it's too late.
I stopped you. You're alive, cause me. I will find you. Why? I told you I didn't want to be so.
Who's that?
The Spider-Man. Look at my shoes. Look at my shoes.
Spider-Man shoes?
Yeah, Spider-Man shoes.
Mommy's got to get in here and clean again. So, my hair's seen better days. It's seen better days. So, did you have a good day today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sounds good.
You played with friends today. What else did you do today?
I make Play-Dohs.
You make Play-Dohs? Was it so fun?
Yeah.
What else did you do?
I did the breakfast.
You ate breakfast. Yeah. Was it so yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did it rain today?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then he had speech therapy today. And that didn't go so well. No. It didn't go so well. I take that back. It went good in the beginning. He did just fine. He was responding, and he always does just fine. It's been just recently, since the school year started, that he's been having a rough time during therapy. And I kind of feel like it's part of him being 4.5, almost 5. He's showing some defiancy in what he wants to do and when he wants to do it. he just has a hard time communicating that, articulating that. So, yeah, his speech therapist and his occupational therapist have both noticed that he has some OCD tendencies, and I even had picked up on it as well. One good thing that I'm grateful for is he's very OCD about brushing his teeth. Yeah. And I mean, it's a good thing, but you have to pay really close attention to him when he does it. He's very repetitive with it. And there's certain things that he likes a certain way. And if it doesn't go a certain way, then a meltdown ensues. And that's what happened today. His therapist decided to try to throw him off a little bit with one of the books that they use for therapy. And he's been using this book for a few weeks now, so he's very acquainted with the sequence and how it goes. And it's different questions that pertain to expanding his vocabulary. What makes an egg? If you ask him, hey Ricky, what makes an egg?
It makes chicken.
A chicken makes an egg. So it's questions like that. Or when do we clean dishes, Ricky?
It is all dirty.
Right, when dishes are all dirty. And when do we turn on the lights in the car? Do you remember that question? When do we turn on the lights in the car?
Turn the light on.
At nighttime? At nighttime. So it's questions like that that will help him. And they're sequenced a certain way. Every page is a certain question that he has to answer. And he has, like I said, he's gotten acquainted to the book, so he has been expecting, when you turn the page, this next question, and I have to answer this way. So then when we turn this page, here's that question I have to answer this way. Well, his speech therapist thought, let's skip a couple of pages. Let's like jump around, in other words. And that did not go well at all. I had to intervene with trying to implement some calming techniques. And then the therapy session was coming to an end. And it really escalated the meltdown. And it took me quite a while to get him out of it. I even had to get his weighted blanket, which I haven't had to do in a really long time. Now he has asked for his weighted blanket here recently, but I haven't had to use it as a certain technique to calm him down, and that's one that I use if it's like on the verge of a major meltdown. I just feel like that deep compression from the weighted blanket really helps him. So, I mean, it was something that I had to do for him in order to get him out of it. And he laid on the floor with the weighted blanket on top of him for a good 30 to 45 minutes. And at one point, he wanted me to sit on his legs. I really have to do a video and go into detail about what I do in order to get him to calm down. But it's things that he now expects and that he knows is going to happen when he goes into not being able to pull himself out of a meltdown. And I can tell, and what I'm really proud of him for is that at a certain point he can tell. Who is that?
That's Michael.
Who is that?
That's Michael.
So he was in meltdown mode for a good 30 minutes, and at one point I had to sit on his legs, and he also wanted me to cover his ears with my hands, the suction of my hands to his ears, I guess for some, and we do have noise canceling headphones. He didn't want that. He wanted me sitting on his legs, and he wanted me covering his ears. And so that was our evening. And then from there, after I got him to calm down, I had to start dinner, and it was quite exhausting, sitting there and trying to get him to come out of it, and that hasn't happened in a long time. So hopefully next session is a lot better. I think I'm gonna need to talk to the speech therapist about not being so drastic with the changes. Just maybe skip one page at a time and not flip around. Now that I'm thinking about it and reflecting on it, I feel like maybe it was a bit much at that point. So I will have to talk to a speech therapist about that. But they have taken a bath. I feel like I'm forever doing laundry and cleaning the house and cooking. Always cooking. We never go out to eat, like I said. So, but I think Mr. is ready for bed. I'm gonna get him in bed. I'm gonna get him situated, and then I'm gonna finish editing this vlog. So this is it for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I hope that this has somewhat given y'all a glimpse of what it is like in our life. I will at some point, I will record a meltdown and show you guys what it's like and what we do in order to get him out of it. Right now I think that'd be a bit much for me and for him. So, have you had fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's very, very rainy in our area. Very rainy. And we are concerned about the weekend because it's supposed to be even worse on the weekend. Our prayers go out to everyone in the Carolinas and in that area in the path of Hurricane Florence. I really hope it's not as bad as they are expecting it to be. But we are going to...
Superheroes.
You're a superhero?
Yeah.
We're going to end for today. Can you say thank you for watching?
Thank you for watching.
To give it a thumbs up.
Do the stuff.
Say subscribe.
Do today.
Say we'll see you later.
See you later.
Bye.